It's 2026, and if you still don't know which pickleball paddle is actually the best, you're in the right place. This video is made for players who want real answers, not marketing hype. Over the past several months, we tested more than 25 pickleball paddles on the court. We measured spin rates, power output, control precision, swing weight, and overall consistency. After all that testing, we narrowed it down to the top 5 pickleball paddles of 2026, based on performance, value, and playability. You'll find all the product links with the best updated prices in the description below. Let's start with number 5.
Number 5. Vatic Pro Prism Flash 16mm. This paddle delivers some of the best performance we've seen at an affordable price. Built with Toray T700 raw carbon fiber and foam-injected sidewalls, it competes directly with paddles that cost nearly twice as much. In our testing, we recorded spin rates around 1650 RPM, paired with excellent control from the 16mm polymer core. At 8.0 ounces with a 114 swing weight, maneuverability is excellent, especially during quick exchanges at the kitchen line. The foam-injected sidewalls expand the sweet spot significantly, making off-center hits far more forgiving. That said, power output depends heavily on the player's stroke mechanics, and the softer feel can slightly slow hand speed during fast net battles. Priced between $90 and $100, this paddle is ideal for beginners and intermediate players, or control-oriented players who prioritize placement and consistency over raw power.
Number 4. 6-0 Double Black Diamond Control 16mm. This paddle offers one of the best power to control balances we tested this year. It uses carbon fusion edge technology, which fuses the paddle faces together for improved stability and durability. The Japanese Toray 700K carbon surface consistently produced over 2,000 RPM in our spin tests. Weighing 8.1 ounces and measuring 16.3 inches, the hybrid shape combined with a 3D carbon-forged handle significantly reduces vibration. What stood out most was the soft, controlled feel, which is rare among heat-molded paddles. The aerodynamically expanding design creates one of the largest sweet spots we've measured. Players will notice more pop compared to Gen 1 carbon paddles, but control remains predictable. Priced between $162 and $180, it delivers tournament-ready performance at a price well below elite paddles.
Number 3. RPM Friction Pro 16 Mini Elongated. Designed by James Ignatowicz, one of the PPA's top players, this paddle is a true spin specialist. In our tests, it recorded over 2,300 RPM, the highest spin rate we've ever measured. The patented carbon bite surface maximizes friction to an extreme level. Despite its elongated 16.5-inch length, it weighs just 7.9 ounces and carries a 1/16 swing weight, making it surprisingly fast through the air. The Trencity core, built from 3 different foam materials, increases dwell time while expanding the sweet spot. Shock absorption is excellent, with smooth and consistent feedback even during aggressive swings. One important consideration is that its USAPA certification at the 44 limit is valid until May 2026. Priced around $249, this paddle is best suited for advanced players, spin-focused competitors, and singles players who rely heavily on RPM and reach.
Number 2. Selkirk Labs Project Boomstick Elongated. This paddle is built for players who want maximum power. In our testing, it produced 14% more exit speed than comparable paddles, reducing opponent reaction time by roughly 25 milliseconds. It features boom core technology with an EVA power ring and pure foam construction, eliminating core compression for explosive energy return. At 8.25 ounces, it remains well-balanced thanks to semi-permanent 15-gram edge weights. The Infinigrit surface lasts up to 3 times longer than traditional textures, while still maintaining 2,000 plus RPM. A 7.2 flex weight helps preserve forgiveness on mishits. The trade-off is touch control, as the explosive pop can challenge finesse-oriented players. Priced at $333 with a lifetime warranty, this paddle is ideal for aggressive power players or anyone frustrated with paddle durability issues.
Number 1. Joola Perseus Pro IV 16mm. Taking the top spot is the Joola Perseus Pro IV, the most balanced paddle we tested in 2026. It uses TechFlex power technology, incorporating high-density foam in the throat to expand the sweet spot and improve flexibility. Combined with the propulsion honeycomb core and charged carbon surface, this paddle performs at an elite level in every category. Weighing 8.1 ounces and measuring 16.5 inches, it features a 4.25-inch optimized grip and a 118 swing weight, delivering excellent maneuverability without sacrificing stability. Our testing revealed a rare combination of elite control and elite power, with spin production consistently exceeding 2,000 RPM. Dual USAP and UPAA certifications ensure universal tournament approval. Priced at $279.95, this paddle is the best choice for competitive players who demand certified professional-level performance. Based on our testing, the Joola Perseus Pro IV earns the number 1 spot. So those are our top 5 pickleball paddles of 2026. Which one would you choose? If you've played with any of these paddles, share your experience in the comments below. And if this breakdown helped you, make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices. Thanks for watching Pro Pick Sports. We'll see you in the next one.